Yeah, again. Phoebe and I are headed to, can you guess? Springfield, Missouri, once again. You don't look thrilled. Why are you not thrilled? You're just tired. But going for about 10 days. In fact, 10 days on the dot this time. So, yeah, I'm excited. I don't want to travel, but I'm going to vlog it because that's what makes it fun for me. So, what do you think? What do you think? You gonna go see Hannah? Yeah, you want to go see Hannah. Alrighty, we are back home and I am winded and sniffly because it is not warm outside, which I'm not a fan of, but it's supposed to be pretty warm in Springfield, so hopefully that will prove to be true. The whole purpose of the walk was just to get Phoebe's energy out, hopefully. Let her, yeah, hi! She's looking at me, she knows I'm talking about her. Hopefully get her energy out so that she is just a little more calm in the airport and on the plane. Yeah, hi. Snowing, which I'm not a big fan of, but we just stopped at a convenience store so I can get some snacks and let Phoebe go potty before we head to the airport. She's not a fan of the snow either. Successfully through security, and Phoebe did phenomenal as always. She's so good. I didn't get a chance to film it this time because I just kind of wanted it done and over with. So I went ahead and took off her vest, took off everything like I needed to take off, and I do take her food out of my suitcase because it can just look weird on the cameras. So did that and then put her in a downstay. I went through and then called her through and then got my hands swabbed. So super easy process and I'm used to it. So you did very well. Successfully made it past security and to the train and to the area for the B gates, which is where our gate is. So the next step is I'm going to take her straight to the pet relief area, even though I don't think she needs it, just to give her a chance, and then we will go find our gate. Made it to the pet relief area. So far, the nicest DIA one I've been in. It smells bad, doesn't smell like something died though, so I'll take it. We're gonna just stay in here for a little while, give her plenty of time to go potty if she needs to, and then we'll go find her gate. I just took off her vest and her leash so that she can sniff and wander on her own time. it. Phoebes is very excited. I'm exhausted and ready to go see some of our favorite people. You ready? Yeah. Potty stop. Let's go potty. She's so excited. Good girl. It is humid. Okay, to be fair, it's not that bad. But compared to Colorado, it's real humid. It's April. To be fair, it has been raining, but it's April. It shouldn't be this humid yet. Are you excited? Girl. She's looking everywhere. They're not even here yet, and she's just thrilled. She knows where she is. Phoebe. You see Hannah? You see Hannah Maddie? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Is that them? Oh my goodness. Are you so excited? Are you so excited? Phoebe? Who's that? Oh my goodness. You don't see the car.